The Fitchburg Senior Center provides a variety of classes. Some of the classes include computer courses, Spanish classes, piano lessons, writing groups, jewelry making classes, and a variety of art classes, including watercolor painting.
After I retired, I said that I wanted to stay active and do things.
Fitchburg Senior Center offers a lot of classes like computer classes and Facebook classes and all kinds of things like that. And I recently took a bracelet making class, which was really fun. And it's just gives you a lot of things to try that do not cost you a lot of money.
The writing class I take is reminiscent writing, and it's, you could talk about yourself or write about yourself.
The classes that I teach at the Fitchburg Senior Center primarily focus with the Microsoft Office suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also Adobe Photoshop Elements. It gives the opportunity to the seniors to expand their talents and interests in a, technology area. And it also provides some social interface between them by attending the class. Gives a little insight as to where the technologies are going and how to use them. Help them talk to their grandchildren.